So right now for meal prepping, and this serves 4 meal preps, we're going to cook some creamy chicken pesto pasta. And this is the ingredients we're going to need. Nice and easy. Let's get cooking. So first of all, we're going to weigh out the pasta. We want 300 grams of pasta. Next, we're after 500 grams of chicken. (200 grams), 400 grams, 600 grams. So I'll take a little bit off that and we're good to go. Next, you want to chop your chicken up and take any fatty bits off. Just want little bits of chicken, just like so, little bits like this. And there's all the chicken ready, diced, ready for cooking. Fatty bits right here go in the bin. Always wash your hands after cooking and handling raw chicken. Give your work area a really good thorough clean. Pop the heat on, fill the water, maybe 2 pints. Add a dash of salt and let that come to the boil. Next, you want to get your onion and chop it up finely. Take all the crispy outer shell off, and I always just pop the edges in the bin. I've got a really cool device actually that just chops this up. I'm not massive on onion, I don't like it that much, so I just have half. A lot of people put the full one in, I just have half. The rest can either go back in the fridge. If you don't need it, you know you're not going to use it, in the bin it goes. You can either chop it up or use one of these devices. I absolutely love this, it's a game changer. All you do instead of cutting it up is pop that there and then push down. All your onion finely chopped as you need it. Next, as the pasta's cooking, you want to drizzle some olive oil. Just a little bit of drizzle of olive oil. Smells absolutely beautiful. Turn the heat down a little bit. Medium heat. You just want that to go caramelized. Just want to caramelize them off before you add your chicken in. And let that cook off until all nice and white and just slightly crispy. Now, as you can see, the pasta is coming to a boil now. So what we want to do is we want to turn the heat down on that just to a little bit less than the lowest it goes. Not medium, in between medium and low, and just let that simmer off for another 5-10 minutes, and then it should be nice. Always test your pasta, have it a bit of a bite test to see if it's not raw and it's just perfect. Then you need to drain it off. As the chicken's cooking, you want to just season it, salt and pepper. We're also throwing in some garlic Italian seasoning. And some garlic puree. Give that a mix in. What we're going to do now, we're going to sprinkle in chicken stock cubes. Break these up with your fingers. Just pop them in there. Yeah, you want 2. And with that, you want a ladle of pasta water. And just give that a nice stir about. Make sure all the stock cubes are all broken up. Let that simmer away for a little while and then we'll crack on. That pasta now looks ready, as you can see, nice and soft. Do a taste test now. Take a look at the pasta and you can see if there's a white little lining on it, and there's no white lining there. That's pretty much done. Give it another couple of seconds and we'll drain that off. Now we're ready to add the pesto. 2 tablespoons we need. Got my handy little measuring device here. That's 1 tablespoon right there, second from biggest one. Get these from Amazon. Just want $1. 2 decent sized portions in there will do, maybe a little bit more for good luck. Again, mix that around, and we're now going to drain the pasta. And there you go. Okay guys, we're cooking along nicely now. It smells beautiful. And as you can see, we're on high heat, but it's only the medium-sized hob, not the really big one. And it's always been on that heat to cook this. Now we are going to turn that down and let that simmer for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so that has been simmering away nicely. Now, that's not a really big pan, so what I'm going to do, we need to transfer either the pasta into this or this into the pasta. Because this is a bit of a bigger dish, we're going to tip this into the pasta, okay? Get all them juices in there. Lovely. Maybe scrape it all in. Don't lose anything, guys. This juice is the dog's bollocks, as they say. And then it's just a case of mixing all that up, okay? There's one more missing ingredient, which is cheese. So I'm going to weigh out 150 grams of lightest Philadelphia. I think it's going to be the full tub, to be fair. This, yeah, basically the full tub of the lightest Philadelphia. And we want 120 grams of cheese, low-fat cheese. As you can see, we need to mix that good and well right through now. And this is just going to go so creamy. You've got your chicken in there, your pasta, your pesto, your gravy, stock, and it just looks unbelievable now. It's starting to take shape. And you see how why I've put it in this, because so I can mix it better. Like I say, it doesn't matter how you combined it, but whatever makes your life easier. You could literally have a food orgasm over that right there. Wow. Remember, this serves 4 in your meal prep containers. And it's pretty much done now, ready to meal prep up. So you might have been thinking, wow, a full tub of Philadelphia cheese. Remember, it's the lightest Philadelphia, and it serves 4 portions. So this is over a 4-day period for your main meal. We'll get that portioned up and jobs are good. Just dish this out now. And there you have it. Gorgeous. Each one of these, 597 calories and 56 grams of protein.